after your composite bonding is really important because it will make sure that it stays nice, fresh, white for as long as possible. It is really what you do at home that has a huge impact on how well the bonding is going to last over time. And let's be honest, everyone likes a glass of red wine, tea and coffee, but perhaps you can implement different little tricks into your life to really reduce the staining onto the bonding. So every time you have coffee and tea, let's just use a metal straw, and that will help to minimize the staining of bonding. If you're having red wine, if you're at home, also trying to drink it through a straw. But it's also what you do on a day-to-day basis in terms of cleaning that will have a huge impact on how well and how good they'll look over time. So make sure that you are using a nice electric toothbrush. Make sure that you are using a water flosser, a water pick, or an air flosser as well, to ensure that you are cleaning very well between your teeth. Also make sure that you are flossing your teeth on a daily basis or using interdental brushes that have been shown to you by your dental hygienist. Twice a year at least, you must see your dental hygienist who will clean the teeth very thoroughly, and they'll give you some advice on how to do better at home if there's areas of concern. And finally, see your dentist, because we are able to polish the bonding and bring it back to their best. With some really nice polishes that we use to make sure that they are nice, they are smooth, because the rougher they are with time, of course, they will collect more stain. So it is important that you continue to attend your maintenance appointments following up your bonding treatment to ensure that those bonding appointments are nice, smooth, and the bonding remains nice and fresh moving forward.